Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, yes, CES is underway and there's a lot of things to talk about what's taking place at CES. But right now, it's all about Samsung. They got 2 more days before they unveil the Galaxy S21. So let's go ahead, let's talk about it and find out, is this going to be worthy of an upgrade or not? All right, you all, let's talk about it. At the end of the day, is it worthy from upgrading from where you are right now? Now, for me, if you got the Galaxy S10, the S9, the S8, the S7 Edge, then yes, this is a definite upgrade that you should do if you're financially strapped. All right. So if you got the finance for it, then go ahead and upgrade. Even if you got the Galaxy S20, you may want to consider, right? Especially if you're looking for a better camera, because I believe the camera quality is going to be off the charts, kind of like with the Galaxy Note 20. Now, right now, I am filming on the front facing camera, which looks absolutely awesome. So yes, I think it's probably going to be worthy of an upgrade. Again, if you got the money to upgrade from the Galaxy S20 to the Galaxy S21. Now, the design, I like the way it looks. It reminds me of the Galaxy Note 20 so far as the camera placement is concerned in the back of the phone. But on the front, they were not able to get rid of the punch hole, which isn't a big deal for me. Now, you're going to get 3 variants. You're going to get the Galaxy S21, the Galaxy S21 Plus, and the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, you are going to get some colors with this, right? Now, the colors are going to differ from smartphone to smartphone, which I did not get. I don't know why Samsung just didn't keep this the same across the board, but here's the colors you're going to get. Now, the colors for the Galaxy S21 are going to be Phantom Violet, Phantom Pink, Phantom White, and Phantom Gray. For the Galaxy S21, the colors are going to be Phantom Black, Phantom Violet, Phantom Silver. Now, for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, you only get 2 colors. That's Phantom Silver and Phantom Black. Now, why is it that for the phone you pay the most for, you get the least colors? I think it should be in reverse. Why does the smaller colors get all these different colors with that variant? I think it's crazy, but again, it's Samsung. Now, what I do not like about this, right, which is probably going to trickle down to the Galaxy Note 21, is that in the box, you will not get a charging brick, is what rumor has it, right? We will find out on the 14th, which I thought was crazy, especially if you're going to be buying the Galaxy S21 Ultra, which is going to be, I believe, like $12.99, which is a lot of money, right? It's a lot of money. Now, let me give you the price real quick. Now, the price for the Galaxy S21, now they're going to differ so far as the variant is concerned. So I'm going to go through all the variants for you. For the Galaxy S21, 128 gigabytes, you're going to pay $849. Now, these are rumors. For the Galaxy S21, 256 gigabyte, they're talking about $899. For the Galaxy S21 Plus, 128 gigabyte, you're going to pay $1,049. For the Galaxy S21 Plus 256 gigabyte, you're going to pay $1,099. For the Galaxy S21 Ultra, you're going to pay for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, 128 gigabytes, you're going to pay $1,249. For the Galaxy S21 Ultra, 256 gigabyte, you're going to pay $1,299. And for the Galaxy S21 Ultra, 512 gigabytes, $1,429. Pretty much almost the same price as the Galaxy Note 20. All right. So like I said, get your dollars in a row to be able to afford this, especially if you're going with Sprint. AT&T, T-Mobile, you may be able to get that for free. Now, also what I like about what they're offering, considering that they're not giving you the charging brick in the box, which again, I believe is crazy, they're going to give you free. Now, I'm not sure whether it's going to be the Galaxy Bud Lives or the Galaxy Bud Pro, which is the new earbuds that's coming, which should be shown at CES on the 14th alongside of the Galaxy S21. Also, they're supposedly giving away a smart tag as well. So let's see what happens. Also, check this out right now. This may sweeten the pot a little bit. They're going to give you $60 if you pre-order. $60 for accessories and up to $700 on a trade-in, depending on what smartphone you trade in, right? So I think that's not a bad deal if you Look at what they're offering. All right, but check this out. The S Pen. Yes, the Galaxy S series is coming with an S Pen. I don't know what you think about that. Most of you all probably aren't looking for an S Pen. You had the S line, you've been in the S line up for so long. But yes, it's coming with the S Pen, which is not coming in the box. Rumor has it. Also, you're going to have to buy a case to hold the S Pen. Now, I'm quite sure they're going to have a bundle package where you can buy both. But yes, you're going to have to pay for those items. But I like how they got creative with it because the S Pen just kind of snaps on to the back, which I thought looks awesome. Then you put the case on the phone and it gives you some extra added protection. So that's not a bad deal at all, right? But the question is how much is the S Pen going to cost? And also, how much is that case going to cost you? All right. And that's the question at the end of the day. So is it worthy of an upgrade considering from what smartphone you are coming from? All right. That's going to be it, you all. We're going to wait till the 14th. We're going to take a look at this. And even after the event, we're going to talk about this some more to see what features are going to come about that we don't know about thus far. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this one, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy life. Have some fun, you all. And remember to be safe.